Hello and welcome to the OPTOMEC training video for the MME Endurance Cassette assembly. To begin, you will start by taking the nozzle mount and the mist tube. Ensure that the O-ring is around the mist tube as you insert it like so to prevent any leaks. And then you will take the screws and put them in like this. Ensure there's an O-ring here. Then you will take the vial, flipping it upside down. There's a few O-rings here that need to be in place. We have one here, 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 as well as here. So you will take, inserting it like that. And you need a 15 pounds per inch torque, and you can screw this in place. So now you can take the retainer and the capped on film, placing like so. Flipping this over once again, we see there's an O-ring here as well as here. And you place the retainer on, holding it in place as you then place the screws. And again using a 15 pound per inch torque. Again, it is always important that you have the correct O-rings in place, as this will prevent any leaks, and it's beneficial to do frequent checks or replacements of the O-rings. Now here we can take the nozzle and the fitting, inserting it like so, ensuring it's nice and tight, and this will go like so. Ensure a nice proper fit. Now you can take the vial top, placing it in, and that just sits in nicely there. And then we can take the cassette body. Here we have the cap, and this gets inserted like so. And then this is covered and tightened. So there you have it. That is the assembly of the MME Endurance Cassette. In the next video, I will demonstrate how to disassemble this cassette.
This is the disassembly portion of the MME Endurance OPTOMEC training video. It is important to always wear gloves during this process, as there will be ink inside this cassette and it will be very messy. It is also important to have a set of paper towels or tray to put the dirty parts on for transportation to cleaning. To begin, you will unscrew the nozzle tip from the bottom and set that aside for cleaning. If you're disposing of it instead of reusing it, go ahead and properly dispose of that. Next, after unscrewing this, you can take out the large vial body, making sure you hold it upright as there's ink inside of all of this. As you can see, it is already coming out from the sides. You can start by taking off the large vial cap, noticing the ink, placing on the paper towel. Next, still maintaining this upright position, you can use the 15 pounds per inch torque wrench and unscrew, using your other finger to hold the nozzle mount in place as you unscrew the screws. These screws do not require cleaning. Now, over your paper towels, you can go ahead and take out the nozzle mount, placing the vial body down, still maintaining an upright position. You'll see that there's ink all around the mist tube. So as you remove that, be careful and place it on your tray for cleaning. So that can be placed aside. Now, grabbing the large vial body again, you'll use the 15 pounds per inch and unscrew the retainer. Again, holding it in place and maintaining an upright position. These screws as well should not require cleaning. However, if you wish, you should not sonicate them with these pieces as they are aluminum. Then, holding it over your tray, you can remove the retainer, put for cleaning, and underneath the Kapton film, and grabbing extra paper towels, you can remove the Kapton film. Now placing this down for cleaning as well, and this as well. Dispose of your ink-saturated paper towels and/or surfaces properly. And that is it for the disassembly of the MME Endurance OPTOMEC cassette.